Hello, everyone. Welcome to this English-speaking podcast. My goal today is to help you practice simple, clear, and natural American English. So please relax, sit comfortably, listen carefully, and repeat after me whenever you can. Because the more you listen and repeat, the more confident your English will become. Today's lesson is designed for everyday life, the kind of English people really use in the United States. Not difficult grammar, not complex words, just real and useful English. Let's begin. In daily life, Americans often start conversations in a very simple and friendly way. Instead of saying, "How are you?" they usually say, "How's it going?" So repeat after me slowly, "How's it going?" This is casual, friendly, and very common. You can use it with friends, coworkers, or even new people. Another common greeting is, "What's going on?" Repeat after me, "What's going on?" This does not mean something serious. It just means hello or what are you doing? When someone asks you this, you can answer very simply. You can say, "Not much," repeat after me, "Not much," or you can say, "Everything's good," repeat after me, "Everything's good." Now let's talk about your day. People often ask, "How was your day?" Repeat after me, "How was your day?" You don't need a long answer. Simple answers sound more natural. You can say, "It was pretty good," repeat after me, "It was pretty good," or you can say, "It was busy but good," repeat after me, "It was busy but good." If your day was difficult, it's okay to be honest. You can say, "It was a little stressful," repeat slowly, "It was a little stressful." Now let's learn some confidence phrases. These phrases help you when you are thinking or when you are not sure what to say. Listen carefully. "Let me think about it." Repeat after me, "Let me think about it." This sentence gives you time and makes you sound calm. Another very useful phrase is, "I'm not sure, but I think." Repeat slowly, "I'm not sure, but I think." This phrase is perfect for English learners. Sometimes people share ideas with you and you want to respond politely. You can say, "That sounds interesting." Repeat after me, "That sounds interesting." Or you can say, "I see." Repeat after me, "I see." If you want someone to continue talking, you can say, "Can you tell me more?" Repeat after me, "Can you tell me more?" This sentence keeps the conversation going. Now let's practice speaking about yourself. You can say, "I'm learning English to improve my future." Repeat after me, "I'm learning English to improve my future." Or you can say, "I practice English every day." Repeat after me, "I practice English every day." Consistency is very important. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. So say this sentence with me, "I try to practice English every day." Repeat after me. Now let's slow down and practice pronunciation. Listen carefully, speak clearly, and don't rush. Confidence comes from clarity, not speed. "How's it going?" Pause. "My day was pretty good." Pause. "Let me think about it." Pause. "That sounds interesting." Pause. "Great job." Now imagine you are meeting someone new. You can say, "Nice to meet you." Repeat after me, "Nice to meet you." And when the conversation ends, you can say, "It was nice talking to you." Repeat after me, "It was nice talking to you." In American English, people often keep things short and friendly. Simple sentences sound more natural than long ones. Now let's practice positive thinking sentences. You can say, "I'm getting better every day." Repeat after me, "I'm getting better every day." Or you can say, "I feel more confident speaking English." Repeat after me, "I feel more confident speaking English." Remember, mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make mistakes. What matters is that you keep speaking. Now repeat this important sentence. "It's okay to make mistakes." Repeat after me, "It's okay to make mistakes." Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and continue listening. English is not about perfection, it's about communication. Now let's practice one final flow together. "How's it going?" "My day was pretty good." "It was busy but good." "Let me think about it." "That sounds interesting." "Can you tell me more?" "I'm learning English every day and I feel more confident now." Excellent. You are doing great. Keep listening to English, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself. If you practice like this every day, your English will improve naturally and confidently. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this podcast helped you, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back tomorrow for more English speaking practice. See you next time. Keep practicing and keep growing.